how to teach your 5-year-old to read the easy way. So the first thing that you'll need is this book, and I'll link it down below. The second thing you'll need is paper like this to help your child write. The reason why I highly recommend this book to teach reading is because of how simple it is to use. First, you learn the sounds of all the letters, then you blend them slowly into small words, and then your child eventually reads small sentences. As you're also reading, you're also learning how to write, so they're making those connections between the sounds of the letters and the actual written letter. And since this book is the spine, you can also build onto it. You can get out your Play-Doh and form those letters. You can pour some salt onto a cookie sheet and write those letters that way. The beautiful thing about this is just the spine, and you get to be as creative as you want with your kid. Here's a little peek at my daughter and I learning to read. What's this first one? Oops, let's try it. Okay, let's read this word. Ready?
Okay. Rock.
What's the word?
Rock.
Good. Next one.
Rod.
What's the word?
Rod.
Very good. Next one.
Sack.
What's the word?
Sock.
Sack. Sack. Sack.
Sack.
Very good. Good job.